Today we're going to bring in a water fountain. It's a small little water fountain. It fits in the size of my hand almost. We're going to open it up and see what you get. But first of all, just want to let you guys know the vendor was kindly enough to send it to us. So let's go ahead and open it up and put it together. So this is going to be a solar water fountain. You guys can notice there is a pump here to push the water, and of course USB plug-in connection. We're going to go ahead and plug it in. There's a solar dish, and look at this. It's going to generate some voltage, so we could go ahead and connect it. You have options here. You could connect it directly using the actual solar panel, or actually a USB 5-volt connection. You can do that either or. So they do give you a couple of mounts, all right? So you can mount them up, and then drywall mounts too included. The instructions are included in here. And of course, when this is going to be draining and flowing the water, there's a filter in here that you could actually suck. And there's suction cups in the bottom of it. You can put it on the ground, and it's going to push the water up through here. So different ways to pushing the water. And this is very small. You can put it in a fish tank. And you guys heard the actual system go up right now. And of course, I don't have anything onto it. And they have different scenarios to set up in here. They got different kinds of areas to actually flow the water through. You know, they got a 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, and so forth. So we're going to go ahead and set one up right now, and we're going to test it out and see how it works. So let's go open up all of them first. So they got the stand here, and this stand is actually a basic stand. Just locks in place. If you guys can see it, it just locks in place like this, pretty much. And you could put this on the floor if you want, or on the ground, or on a mount. Like I said, they give you the actual mount walls right here, so you can screw them in near any kind of wall, or wood, or tree. They do give you the actual pump connection. There's the first one we put in there. As you can see, the water is flowing, but as more sun you get, the higher it goes. That was the other one. We just changed it out. You guys can see it flowing. It's about maybe 4 or 5 inches high, but it's pretty cloudy right now, so not gonna get the best water flow right now. There's the other one flowing. It's a little higher. Here's the final one. You guys can see it. Pretty good for a pond of fishes, if you're going to put something like that circulating the water, filtering the water too. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.